Today we're going to work on getting the fuel pump installed. We might even check these out. So let's get to it. Am I still slipping? Yep, still slipping. Doubt this will work. We got two with the really long ones. Got one kind of in there. So last night I came out here in my PJs and I got it to break torque. Don't want y'all to think I'm gonna promise something and then not deliver. Testing the horns, see if they work. Hope for the best.